Hi guys, welcome my YouTube channel. I am Julita Polida guys. So our topic today guys, based on my experience guys, this is about the what is right. Do what is the right guys. So lately guys, I am experience about the personal situation inside of my souls. So guys, there are two battle guys inside in our the whole as a human being guys. According to the psychological, based on the biblical and human, as a human guys, there are two kinds of physical life and spiritual life. So there are two battles guys inside in our body guys. We have the souls and we have the physical. So these two person guys inside in our life guys as a human being. So lately guys, I am fight guys inside of my physical battle and spiritual battle guys. So based my experience guys, do what is the right for the peaceful, for the victory inside our souls guys, inside in our physical life. So there are two formula guys of success. Number one guys is do what is the right. Ikaduha guys, be action and application. So the two formula guys of success, I have the experience lately guys. So what is the do what is the right. So guys, na ay duha ka butang nga battle sa to ang sulod guys, ang daotan ug ang maayo. So ang atong sundon ana guys for to win or you receive the victorious life guys is do what is the right. You must be fight what is the right. Even the physical battle and even the spiritual battle. So that guys, makaroon ta og victorious life. Even the physical victorious guys and spiritual victorious battle. So ikaduha guys, kailangan guys atong aksyonan. Pinaagi sa pagbunto guys nga ato gayon i-stop ulit kayan ang mga daotan ng mga buhat even sa physical nga battle guys. Buhaton na to what is the right. Do what is the right guys. Ang dumanan na to action guys. Nga kayan gyud na to ang makaguba sa atong kinabuhi. Kasi matag isa ka na to guys, there are kinds of battle. They are kinds the area of battle inside in our life guys. As a warrior, the great entrepreneur, motivation, I discipline myself guys to do what is the right. Buhaton ako unsa ang tama mental health nga makatabang sa akong kinabuhi. So mo ni ako na experience guys. Lately lang guys, kung naay success, na po siya distraction. Kung mo success ka, na po mo distract si mong success. So as a warrior, entrepreneur, I fight that kind of distraction. Even our emotion guys, gamitin ni Satan guys for destroy toward to our success. So I win guys. I fight that kind of battle inside of my physical body. Kaya na iduha ka nagbati sa tuong sulod guys. Tama o mali. Ang tama guys, siyempre may tungod ni sa tuang soul nga nagakunbik unsa ang angay nato nga buhaton nga tama. Ang physical guys, mukunik ni siya kung unsa ang tama nga atong buhaton sa tuang kinabuhi para mo success ta. Di kaya na to ang mga mali nga ato ang paglaban nga wata kay balo nga mali na di ay. Ikaduha guys, ang ato ang soul kanunay ni siya mo conviction unsa ang tama nga atong pagkabuhaton base sa ato ang pakigbatil nga naa sa ato ang inside sa sulod sa ato ang soul. Mao guys, do what is the right. That is the formula sa to ang success. Kaduha guys, action. Kailangan atong action guys, likayan gyud nato ang balik ug sundo nato ang tama. So mao ni ang mga formula guys ng success ang to ang kinabuhi. Do what is the right. Buhaton nato unsa ang tama nga makatabang sa atong kinabuhi. Kaduha guys, nagdo siya action. Kaya ang tama iya sa Ginoo ug ang mali iya ni Satan. Mo ni ang duha ka battle guys nga nagasangka inside sa tuang sulod sa tuang lawas. Kung itong susihon ang tuang sulod guys, there is a battle inside our soul. So you must be fight guys to do what is the right. So as a warrior, the great entrepreneur, I motivate myself to do what is the right. Wala guys. That is the two things of the formula of our success in life. You must be fight what is the right. Muna siya ang pinaka win, ang pinaka victorious na mitabo sa atong kinabuhi guys. Nabuntugon na to ang dautan, pinaagi sa pagbuhat og maayo. Even the physical things and even our spiritual things, especially our business. So kana lang akong i-motivate guys base sa akong experience. So thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe of my YouTube channel. I am Violeta Foliedo. Bye bye guys.